Everybody make some noise. Nice sir. Let the energy pick up. Let the energy pick up. सबसे पहले तो आप लोगों का बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है इन द इंडस्ट्री लीडर्स अवार्ड। एक बार जोरदार तालियां आप सब लोगों के लिए।
एक्साइटेड हूँ यहाँ पर आने के लिए। I mean एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है। जब आपको सराहा जाता है तो आपको खुशी मिलती है। So I'm very happy and excited to be here.
First and foremost आप सब लोग जो इस कमरे में बैठे हो अपने क्षेत्र में you guys are the leaders yourself.
ब्रांड एम्पावर एक ऐसा इवेंट है जहाँ पे कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड से लोगों को अवार्ड किया जाता है और उनको एम्पावर किया जाता है. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू कंग्रेचुलेट ऑल द विनर्स. थैंक यू टू राहुल जी फॉर क्रिएटिंग अ प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक दिस.
ये प्लेटफॉर्म ही है लोगों को एम्पावर करने का, जैसा ब्रांड एम्पावर हमारी कंपनी का नाम है.
इस रिकॉग्निशन के बाद और ऐसे रिकॉग्निशन के बाद आपकी जो क्रेडिबिलिटी बूस्ट होगी, जो आपके ऊपर लोगों का ट्रस्ट बढ़ेगा, वो प्राइसलेस है और वो आपको तरक्की में बिल्कुल मदद करेगा, जैसे मुझे मदद मिली थी. और आज बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है इस मंच पे कि वो हिस्ट्री रिपीट होने वाला है.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Shilpa Shetty Kundra. Without much wait, can we please have you on stage? Would you be okay? Everybody make some noise for Shilpa Shetty Kundra, everyone.
Hello and a very, very good evening to everyone. I feel very empowered today because I am at this very empowering event. Congratulations to Rahul Ranjan Singh ji for this great initiative, and to all the winners, congratulations. Just wishing this event to be super se bahut bahut upar.
We have the best solar company in Maharashtra, APN Solar, Mr. Prafansis Nadar. Mr. Prafansis, can we please request you to walk up on stage?
Thank you Brand Empower for giving this an opportunity for APN Solar for best solar in Maharashtra, and we loved it. A great opportunity for us which you have given us. Thank you.
Congratulations and keep doing such fabulous work, Rahul ji. And the name, I really love it because I think we can all do with more and more empowerment in life.
Great guy, and what a sweet man, and hats off to him for organizing such prestigious awards, and I really want to congratulate him, and I would love to see him again next year with another award.
Thank you for organizing such an amazing event, where not only TV celebrities or Bollywood actors are acknowledged all over the fraternity. Every individual is being recognized in this, be it business, and we get to meet so many of them. It just feels so good. So yeah, thank you for doing this initiative, because this is the only platform where we actually get to meet and greet so many of them.
I think it's such a wonderful initiative that he's taken, because we have awards in different industries. When we have entertainment industry awards, it's only limited to entertainment. When you have different industry awards, it's limited to them. But combining the two, and not even just having one kind of industry, but having so many different fields all together, is so wonderful, bringing everyone under the same roof and awarding them and appreciating their work or their achievement. It's a wonderful, wonderful thought, and I wish them all the best, that they continue to grow and continue to empower more people.
It's wonderful. I'd like to congratulate Rahul Ranjan Singh for inviting me and giving me the opportunity to also honor and empower all those people who are trying to create opportunities for other people. I just want to congratulate all the winners and all those who haven't been given their due. I think this is a great place where they can be honored.